welcome to another CADimensions Tech Tip. It's Mindy, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between mirror entities and dynamic mirror entities. We all know that when designing, time is critical. So if we're going to sketch something that's symmetrical, one of the fastest ways that we can do that is to sketch half and then mirror it over. There's two different ways of mirroring a sketch. Both do the same job. It's whatever route you like best. We'll walk through using both. The first one we're going to talk about is mirror entities. With mirror entities, you need to have half of your sketch already drawn. So as you can see here, I have half fully defined. Once that's done, you can go up on the Sketch tab of your Command Manager and use the Mirror Entities tool. The first thing it asks for in the Property Manager is what are the entities that we want to mirror. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick the lines that we want to mirror. Next is a copy checkbox. So what that checkbox is saying is, do I want to take the lines that I've just selected and mirror them about something and copy those lines over? Or do I want to just move them across the line? So in our case, we want to copy them over, so we're going to go ahead and leave that checked. Last, we just need to pick what are we mirroring about? So that would be this line here. You can see this yellow preview of what we're going to get, and that looks great, so let's hit the green check. This looks good, so let's go ahead and go to the Features tab of our Command Manager, and now we can use the Revolve to finish our part. Let's use Control Tab to move to our other part that we're working on. And here I want to talk about dynamic mirroring. So with dynamic mirroring, it is a mirror as you sketch. So as we add sketch lines, they will be mirrored across the line that we pick. So let's go ahead and turn dynamic mirroring on. Now, dynamic mirroring isn't located by default on our Command Manager, so we'll either have to know where it is in the drop-down menu, or we can use the Search Commands option to find it. So if we start typing dynamic, the first thing that pops up is dynamic mirror. I can go ahead and select this to open the tool, or I can hit this eyeball here, which will show me where in the drop-down menu it is. So I can see it's under Tools, Sketch Tools, and here's Dynamic Mirror. So let's go ahead and grab that. It's asking us to pick the line that we're going to be mirroring about. So that would be this line here. And you can see it gives us little hash marks on the line. So those are just kind of letting you know that dynamic mirroring is on. Now I can go ahead and grab something like my arc tool, and I can start sketching. As you can see, as I was sketching, it was mirroring across that line. So now I can go ahead and turn dynamic mirroring off. To turn dynamic mirroring off, you're just going to find that tool again and select it. So right now you can see the button looks pressed in, and if I go ahead and turn that off, there is no longer the pressed in button, and I no longer see those hash marks. Now I can add my relationships. So I want a tangent relationship on these 2 points, and I can add my dimensions. And there we go. Now it's just a matter of finishing up my part. And we're done. Go ahead and give both of those mirroring options a try and see which one you like best. Thanks for tuning into this tech tip. We hope you join us next time.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.